Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and let me show you how to turn off lock screen. How to get rid of your fingerprint or device unlock pattern, whatever you have. So at first, enroll list of all apps, enter settings, now find and select security and privacy. Scroll down and here we've got device unlock, mark to open. And as you can see, we've got pattern and fingerprint added. So let's open fingerprint at first, mark it, draw an unlock pattern, and switch it off over here. If you would like to remove fingerprint fully, tap on more icon here and tap on delete. Confirm, and that's it. It's no longer connected with your device. And once you want to remove pattern as well, just click on screen lock, draw the current pattern, and click on turn off password. Draw it again just to confirm, and that's it. That will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.